ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 15 Basic Operation of Cohesive Element Need version 2016 or above. Okay, let's begin. Open File, set Word directory, Word, create file, number 5, click OK. Okay. 2D cell. Continue. Okay. Click this partition. This is cohesive. Where change the line into cohesive element. After meshing. Okay. Click this mesh. Insert cohesive seams. If you ABAQUS version 2016 or above, you can find this function. Okay, did you see that? Done. Okay. The part cohesive seam. Okay. Now, the material, a simple material is steel. Okay, steel. Geometry shift. Yes. Cohesive. I use max stress. What did the material mean? Normal stress and the shear stress. For example, normal stress and shear stress 1, shear stress 2. Okay, this is nominal stress. Okay, the value, how to set the value? Unit is millimeter. This value is nominal stress. For example, 10 MPa. 10 MPa. The same 10. And displacement value, for example, 0.01. When get the gap around 0.01, the cohesive element is no work. Okay, I usually choose this value 10. This value per 10. Okay, so I can get the cohesive stiffness is the line slope. The line slope is cohesive stiffness 10 per this value equal 1 E 4, right? This is cohesive stiffness. And ABAQUS need set cohesive modular equal cohesive stiffness times cohesive thickness. For example, I set the thickness 0.1, so the cohesive modulus equal 1e3, right? Okay, 10 0.01, okay, 10 displacement 0.01, and give this value is useful for your convergence, right? Okay, let's set cohesive modulus 1e3. Okay. Okay. Cohesive. Others cohesive continue. Cohesive traction. The thickness is 0.1. Okay. Did you follow me? Okay. Assembly only one part. Step static general on. Okay, failure SDG damage initial criteria status also interaction reference point coupling geometry, click this point, then surface geometry, kinematic, okay, no problem. Material, click this, set cohesive theme, continue, cohesive. The deform is cohesive pro pressure. We need to choose this. Specify yes. The default value is 1. I give 0.99. Useful for your convergence. Okay. Boundary. Yes. Step 1. Continue. Geometry. Click this point. Y. I think it's enough. Ability of smooth stack 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, set 3. Okay, if you want get curve force and displacement curve, you need set 3 U2 RF2 100 result because total time is 1. Okay. Okay. Submit. Submit. Okay. Okay. Just wait a second. Oh no, something is wrong. 20 element has missing property definition. Okay. So Where? Oh, party. Oh, click this, click this, click this. Continue. Cohesive. Yes. Okay, okay, I forgot. Submit. Again. Haha. Okay, wait. Okay, completely results. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. No problem. Cohesive element disappear. Delete. Now, let me see. RF2U2 plot. Okay, combine. Operate on XY date. Combine U RF. Okay. Displacement force. Okay. This is a simple basic operation. I hope help you. Thank you for watching. This is my WhatsApp. It's my chat. Okay. I hope you're happy. Bye bye. See you next time.